discuss about the next topic, average. In our daily life, you often hear this word average. For example, let us say Isha spends 5 hours in average for study. Now, it doesn't mean she spends exactly 5 hours for studies. It may happen कि one day she spent less than 5 hours and next day more than 5 hours. It means कि if we are taking the central value, then approximately she spends 5 hours daily. Fine. So average means central value of some data. So we have 3 types of average here. First is mean, or sometimes we used to say arithmetic mean. Second is median, and third is mode. Now we will study all of these one by one. We have different methods to find out mean, median or mode. Fine. So one by one we will discuss each one of it. We will start with mean first. Now let us discuss about first type of average, and that is mean. This mean means the mean of a collection of given data is sum of all the observations. Means whatever data, whatever observations are given to you, first of all you have to add them divided by total number of observations. Means if you are having 10 observations, then you have to divide the sum of 10 observations by 10. Means divided by total number of observations. So from here, in simple words, we can write down the formula of mean: sum of all observations divided by number of observations. Sum of all observations means first of all we will add them divided by number of observations, then we will count how many observations we have, and by that number we will divide it. Let us see one question based on that. Here question says, find the mean of pocket money received by 8 students. Means there are 8 numbers of students and their pocket money is given to us. We have to find out the mean. So the first step of means is sum of all observations. Means first of all we will add them. 24 first observation plus 32 plus 40 plus 38 plus 20, 26 plus 40, and in last we have to add 36, and then we have to divide it by 8 because we have 8 observations here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And in question also it is given received by 8 students. Means the number of students is 8. That's why divided by 8. When you will add all these, you will get 256 as sum. And you have to divide it by 8. Now divide it. 8 3s are 24. 1 will left, 1 and 6, 16. So 2s are. So you will get after dividing 32. So we can say mean of these pocket money is rupees 32. Now it doesn't mean everyone is getting 32. Maybe someone is getting more than 32 and someone less than 32. Like here, first student is getting 24 rupees and third one is getting 40 rupees. So 32 is here the central value. Fine. Or we can say average. So I hope the concept of mean is clear to you now. Now let us see the next type of average, and that is median. Now what does it mean? What is the meaning of median? The median of a group of number. Means if you are having a group of number, then median is the number which is present in the middle. Means middlemost value of the group of the numbers is known as medians. But when the numbers are arranged in the order, means first you have to arrange the group of the numbers in an order, then you have to find out the middlemost value, and that middlemost value will be your median. Now how to find it? So let us see it with the help of one example. So I am taking find the median of this group of numbers. Fine. So my first step, whenever I have to find out the median, my first step is I will arrange it in ascending order. Now ascending, so the first step is I will arrange the given numbers in ascending order. So the ascending order means smallest to greatest. So the smallest number in these observation is 6. After that 8, then 12 is there. 12 is 2 times, so 2 times 12. After 12 we are having 14. 14 also 1 and 2 times 14 is there. After that 15. 2 times 15 we are having. Then 16. After 16, 17 is there. And the greatest number is 18. I have arranged the given numbers in ascending order. The second step is you will check n. Now what is n here? N means number of the observations. Number of the observations. So how many observations we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So n is equals to 11. We all know 11 is an odd number. Why I am writing this? Because the formula of median for odd number is different and for even number that is different. So here number of the terms are 11 and that is odd. So for odd numbers the formula of median is n, means number of terms, plus 1 upon 2. Now the value of n is 11 plus 1 upon 2, and that term solve it. 11 plus 1 12 upon 2 6, means 6th term is your median. Now count 6 term: first term, second term, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. So 6th term is 14. So your median for this group of data is 14. Let us see the whole concept again. The first step is you will write the given numbers in an order. Which order? Ascending order. Then in second step you will check how many observations are given to you, and that is denoted by n, number of observations. So here I was having 11 terms. 11 is an odd number. So median for odd number is n plus 1 upon 2. 11 plus 1 upon 2. 12 upon 2, I got 6. 6 is not my median. It means 6th term, the number which is present at 6th place. So count it: first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. 14 is present at the place of 6th term. So your median is 14. I hope the concept of median of odd number is clear to you now. Now let us see one more example based on median, how to find out the median. So the first step, we all know, in first step we have to arrange the given numbers in ascending order. So if I will write these numbers in ascending order, the first number which I have to pick is 10, because the smallest number present here is 10. So first term 10. After 10, 12 is there. and 12 is present 2 times. So 12 2 times. The next number after 12 is 14. 14 is there one time only. After 14, next 15. After 15, the next number is 17. Next to 17, 18. Then 20. After 20, 22. And the last or greatest number you can say is 24. This is your first step. Write the given numbers in ascending order. The second step is n. Means how many terms are present there. So count. When you have written ones in ascending order, don't look at here. Just check here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Just confirm it once ki in question also 10 terms are given. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. By this I am sure that I have not skipped any of the term. Fine. So n means number of the term. And I am having 10 terms here. And 10 is an even number. Last example was based on odd numbers. This one we will see how to find out median when there are even numbers. Fine. Or number in the groups are even. So formula for median will be, here we have to check two terms. First n upon 2 and second one n upon 2 plus 1. Fine. Now n upon 2, how many terms are present? 10 upon 2. So after cutting you will get fifth term. When you will solve here, n upon 2, 10 upon 2 plus 1, so 5 plus 1, that means 6th term. Now 2 terms can't be your median. You have to find out one answer. So for one answer, what we will do? 5th term plus 6th term upon 2. 5th term. Which number is present? 5th. 1, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th. 15 is present here. So 15 plus, at the place of 6th term, 17 is here. So plus 17 upon 2. When you will add 15 and 17, you will get 32 and upon 2. When you will solve it, you will get 60. So we can say median for this data is 60 in this case. Now I hope the concept of median for even numbers is clear to you now.